H&M promo code. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the H&M promo code that you can use while making purchase from the H&M's official website or the app in your mobile phone. So first of all, just simply open the H&M's official website in your web browser, and after that just simply log into your account first. Just simply click on sign in from the top right corner and click on my account and just enter your email address and password and click on sign in. And as soon as you sign in into your account, just simply open the another browser, and on the search bar just simply search for H&M promo code, and you will be able to see so many different websites over here that you can use to get a coupon code. Just simply click on the first one, and it says that you can take up to 25% off on your purchase. Just simply click on show the coupon and just simply copy this particular coupon code and go to the H&M website, and after that just select the product that you would want to buy. So for example, I'm getting this one. Just select your size and click on add to cart, and now just go to your shopping cart, click on checkout, and in the checkout section you just simply have to click on the apply discount coupon code at the left hand side menu, and over here just paste that particular code that you have copied and just simply click on add and click on save, and you will be able to avail the benefits that the coupon code has to offer to you. So yeah, that's how you will be able to get H&M coupon code or promo code. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.